Stock market lingo, stock market jargon, stock market vocabulary. Part 2. Let's go. So if you've heard in the news that, like Amazon is a $1 trillion company now, and you've wondered, hey, what does that mean? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly what that means. Hey, Jim Schultz here for F Cubed, and today, man, we're digging into a little more stock market terminology and trying to help you guys understand, all the crazy terms and all the crazy sayings that you always hear these traders and investors use inside of the stock market. And hey, I've literally dedicated my entire professional life to the field of finance. And so I'm happy to help however I can, man. And today we're gonna hit that finance angle inside of the cube. And so if you yourself are looking to become a better investor, a more savvy investor, then please consider subscribing. And hey, before we get rolling today on Stock Market Terminology Part 2, definitely give Stock Market Terminology Part 1 a look if you haven't seen that guy yet. We covered, mutual fund basics. We covered S&P 500 index funds and the S&P 500 index itself. So give that guy a look. I will put a link to that up in the cards so you can find it easily. And hey, make sure you guys sit tight until the end today because I've got a little something to help with maybe the most important part of the whole process, motivation. Just do it! So up today, stock market capitalization. Or stock market cap if you're really pressed for time and you just can't finish that last word. I hear you, man. So what does stock market capitalization mean? Well, it's actually really simple. It is nothing more than the number of shares outstanding multiplied by the current stock price. Now, stock market cap is very oftentimes used to measure either the size of a company or the total value of a company. So you may have heard of things like, small cap investing, large cap investing. I mean, stock market cap is going to be the primary determining factor between, a small cap definition and a large cap definition, where the cutoff points are usually under 2 billion, that's small cap, over 10 billion, that's large cap. And you may have even heard of the Russell 2000 stock market index. Well, that index is comprised 100% of small cap stocks. So that's it, baby. I mean, that's stock market cap in a nutshell in like 2.5 minutes. I mean, so if you're considering or if you've heard of like fundamental analysis of stocks or fundamental analysis for dummies or like, these different stock valuation methods, stock market cap is an input that can be used throughout that whole process. So about that motivation. So a couple of years ago, I wrote an ebook called The Mystery Behind Motivation. And this guy actually focuses on all 3 F's inside the cube. So you get a fitness angle, you get a faith angle, but you also get that finance angle. So if motivation is something you've struggled with when it comes to like budgeting or investing or taking your financial future seriously, then man, give this guy a download. It's like 50 pages long. It is a super easy, quick read, and it is available right now, totally free. I'll drop a link in the description below this video. Do it! So let's wrap it up like we like to do with a quick Q&A. Question number 1, what was Amazon's market cap again? 1 trillion, which is 1,000 billies. Wow. Question number 2, well, how much is a billy? 1 billy is 1,000 millies. Oh. So how much is Amazon worth again? A lot. Hey guys, I appreciate you as always, man. Hit me with that trifecta. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. A billy is 1,000 millies. You might not believe this, but I actually grew up in Detroit. And yeah, I've been working on the Southern drawl, man. I've been trying to perfect, my Blake Shelton. I'm working on it.